Olivia! Olivia! Hello! Hello! Okay, look at this cool chick butt little aqua machine. I think it's... Bless you! Bubbles want to be done? I'm not sure. There they are. There's the bubbles. Bubbles are pretty sweet. Look at Olivia. She's like, whoa. Amazing. We even tailored her socks. Children have shared socks with her just for you. Ah, look at the fish. She loves it. She loves it. Oh, there's a good picture of her. Hello, Olivia. Hello. Oh. And that is the kids in the background. It is 8 o'clock. 2 more hours to go. Pray for me.